Hi, my name is Madeline Joyce, and I would really appreciate the sessions that you guys initiated and took for all the working women.
Self-defense is like everyday task. Like we don't know who can come and attack us.
The training was really nice. We always go through, every day girls go through any types of assault. Self-defense class was very much useful for us. So we girls being nowadays, it's very crucial for us when someone attacks us. It really helped us on various techniques, how to, not just how to attack the person, how to escape from the situation.
And about the trainers, the trainers were very good, and they were like teaching us a different kind of techniques.
They actually explained how it goes, like physically, mentally, and they even showed how it really works and what you have to do.
The trainer was very good, and the way he taught us was very much helpful for us. He taught us way too many techniques, and it was a really good session. Thank you.
These things, and it was really helpful, and thank you so much.
Everyone must take self-defense classes from him, I guess. Thank you.